Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. This is for new gardeners. If you're a seasoned gardener, you probably already know this. When you're growing the loose leaf lettuce, this is a mature head, if you cut it off at ground level, maybe leave about an inch, leave the roots in the ground, you're going to get a second wave of production. Let me show you a couple of examples. Full loose leaf lettuce, we'd cut it off to look something like this, just cut it at ground level. And here's a couple examples. This is about a week old. You can see that this one's reliefing. This one's about 2 weeks old. You can see it's reliefing and bigger. This one's into its third week. That's an endive. Here's another example. Here's a couple of red romaines that are probably 3 weeks from being removed, 2 to 3 weeks, and you can see they're coming back nicely. They may not get as large as the original head of the loose leaf, but they're going to come back. And again, just leave them in the ground, leave the roots in the ground, and cut it off, leaving about that much space. And you can see popping up, coming over here. You can see the same thing. This is a salad bowl red, starting to relief. So this is a great way to really almost double the production of your loose leaf lettuces by just treating them as cut and come again lettuces, which means you cut it off, leave the roots in the ground, they come back again. Thanks for watching. And I know if you're a seasoned gardener, this probably isn't news to you, but there are so many new gardeners coming out. I thought that this tip would really help them enjoy their lettuces more and get a second production. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com. Thanks for watching.